Riri Mugomo wa Manathi uthiete na mbere makiria ma mieri 3 a Kenya no maguthi na mbere na kunyamarika thutha atongoria a kiama kia Manathi kuuga Manathi matigucoka mawira-ini nginyagia mendekithia mao mahingio. Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Seth Panyako ni amenereirie kamiti ya guthurima mishara SRC akiuga ni magire kiene kwa hinda iraya.
We know for sure that Oxford Law Dictionary defines nurse as highly skilled personnel. Therefore, they are supposed to be in the band where we find skilled workers. And in this case, that is band C. And we will not settle for anything less than nurses being in band C, considering their training. The lowest trained nurse engaged an enrolled nurse who goes to school for 3 years. And a nurse at enrolled level is trained to give the highest attainable standards of health care at that level.
Oho Panyako ni okirire mangavana akiuga matiri na uhoti wa kunyafara honge cia urigitani.
The Council of Governors has been established under the Intergovernmental Act to coordinate affairs of the county governments which are common in nature. The employment and labor relations issues are supposed to be uniform as provided for the Labor Relations Act Section 235. If the Council of Governors cannot therefore perform that function, it should either be dismantled. We have new people who are ready to perform their functions. And if that cannot happen, then the COG should be dismantled. They cannot continue spending public funds doing nothing.
Munene wake munini wa mwandiki munene Morris Opetu ni okirire mangavana maria makoretwo makianirira mieke ya mawira kuihuria kanya ka urigitani mathibitari-ini ma muingi akiuga matikuguoyohio ni mikana yo na Mugomo no uguthi na mbere.
Let no nurse go for those jobs being advertised by any county government.
Ningĩ atongoria aya ni moritie mishara ya Manathi guothe bururi-ini ikorwo ikiigananio.
Governors are not paid different salaries in different counties. Neither are the MPs paid like that. So we demand that nurses have to be paid equal remuneration across the 47 counties. If that is too much to ask, then we shall remain on strike until it comes into their senses.
Ona thengia ya Mugomo wa Manathi gukorwo ingirite thiku ya 110 kionereria ni ati Mugomo yo nduguthiraga wa tiira kumana na murugomo wa Manathi ati matigucoka mawira-ini nginyagia ngirimiti yao ikirwo kirore na yandikithio igoti-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.